not even hopefully, it will hit these lows if it does break this. But that's if it breaks this low. Because if it breaks this low, at this point, there is no other lows. It had this low right here, so it obviously gave us a reaction because even though it is a 1 minute chart, these are all support and resistance zones. You know what I'm saying? So these are all highs and lows, and price is going to react at these highs and lows. You can see that price came, bounced at this level, went up, hit this level. It's either going to go like down and then go up and then go down and go up and give us that, that trend price action, which is kind of looks like it's doing right now. Or it could jump and then go down, but we're not trying to predict it. So let's just let it react. And see, this is really our main problem right here. Price needs to get below this candle. If it can get below this candle and it shows that this strong pressure that it was trying to show us is really just like a retest, and it wasn't actually like the bulls coming in the market, and it was just price doing what price does, which is make the lower lows and lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, until all the way we hit TP. So I'm gonna start watching these trades on the lower time frame. And you can see on the 4 hour, you can see this right here, this candle. That's the breakout. So yeah, it's looking a little shaky right now. Not gonna lie to you. This candle is gonna be like the main determine the outcome of the trade, and I could tell just based off the pressure of it, like I said, and it being at a 1 minute zone. Because we're getting our entries on the 5 minute, even our analysis are based off the daily and 4 hour. Candle, this wicks, you can see price went up and then ended up like closing. It still never went above. So that's like a good sign. But right now, what I can tell by this, you can see is kind of making it's not kind of, it is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So this is tricky, and I might exit out sooner than later. I'll probably get out right here once it breaks these highs. Price pulled back to the supply zone, price went down, price pulled back to the supply zone. We want it to react and go down, but right now it's looking like it wants to go up. So it is what it is. And you could tell it never closed below these lows. So that's why I said it was like the main determinator. Yeah, looks like we're going to take a loss, but it's all good. We'll have more winners to come. So I'm gonna just watch the trade for right now. See what price wants to do. To be honest, I would look for an engulf candle. If not, if price starts going back up, I mean, we'll just take our loss or whatever. back tested the strategy a lot when it comes to the higher highs and higher lows and understand the structure. We can see price broke out of this trend line and it reacted to this low right here. This is how you can like read price action to where you can make a good analysis. Because if it were to just break down and go again, that would be that would probably be because of news. You know what I'm saying? Probably because of news, or I don't know any other reason really, just other than news that would kind of make that type of where it doesn't respect price action. But I'm gonna just let this play out for now. You guys can see right here is the black candle, the bearish candle. We're looking for that. That was our candle that we risked. Price officially took us out. So that's how I was able to risk 2,000 and lose only $1,000.